Hi guys, so today I'm gonna be teaching you how to convert your friend request to followers in your Facebook account. It's pretty much easier to do with Facebook, and today I'm gonna be teaching you how to do it for free. All you need to do for me is just to subscribe to my channel to encourage me to upload more and more videos. I'm uploading technical videos here every week. I'm uploading my videos every week. So hang out so you won't miss any of my videos. It is quite interesting and I love you guys. So without wasting much of the time, let's dive into it. So I'm gonna go over to my Facebook account. I'll go back to my Facebook. Click on my Facebook. Then let me show you. As you can see here, no followers. See, I don't have any followers in my Facebook. I don't have any followers here now, but I have. Let's dive in. So we're gonna be going over to this icon here. I'm gonna be clicking there. Then I'll scroll up and click on settings. Once I'm in settings, I click on settings again. So in settings, I scroll on. Then I'll click on followers here, public content. Click on followers and public content.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that